తన్నైరా సంస్థ బెంగళూరుకు చెందిన ప్రముఖ ఫిట్నెస్ కంపెనీ జేజే యాక్టివ్ సంయుక్తంగా హైదరాబాద్లో శారీ రన్ నిర్వహించాయి. పీపుల్స్ ప్లాజా వద్ద ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని హెరిటేజ్ ఫుడ్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ డైరెక్టర్ నారా బ్రాహ్మణి జెండా ఊపి ప్రారంభించారు. సుమారు 3000 మంది మహిళలు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఉత్సాహంగా పాల్గొన్నారు. చీర సంప్రదాయంతో పాటు స్త్రీలకు గుర్తింపునకు తీసుకొస్తుందని నారా బ్రాహ్మణి అన్నారు. ఇది సాధికారతకు ప్రతీకగా నిలుస్తుందని ఆమె తెలిపారు. తనైరా సీఈఓ అంబుజ్ నారాయణ్ మాట్లాడుతూ చీరలు మహిళలకు హుందాతనం, గౌరవాన్నిస్తాయని అన్నారు.
Team नहीं, not three. 111. 111. 111. Can we have the music?
Happy I made it, and I'm so proud of all of you who were able to turn up for a cause. Really happy to see that. In it, I said that I always kept my health, my well-being before that of my family members or my loved ones. And I think it's really so important a topic to talk about today, because ultimately I believe that a healthy woman means a healthy society, means a healthy community, and believe me, we have tremendous power in having a positive impact on those around us if we take care of ourselves. So I'm really happy that all of you are joining this very important cause. And talking about health, obviously an important part of health is fitness, and that's why we're all here. And fitness means consistent fitness, and I think all of you are so progressive to be participating in the event today. It could be in the form of the 8-old practice of our very own yoga. It could be in the practice of walks. It could be through runs like we're all doing today as a sisterhood together. I think fitness is really important, and I personally enjoy a little bit of sport as well. I think it brings in a little bit of fun element into health and fitness. I think another huge part of being healthy, especially as a woman, is balanced nutrition. And I'm really proud of being a part of this nutrition revolution. I believe that I have seen the beautiful saris also brought out by Tannera, and so many other stuff they come out with, especially for women. So I think this is kind of a little bit late Women's Day celebrations, you can say. Okay, so ladies, please run, and always, it's not just for this day, but every day you must keep up your fitness levels, because we women, we have the health, we are in charge of our family's health, nutrition, and so many other aspects of family life in our hands. So being physically fit is very important. That's why you are here in the first place. Okay, all the best for the run. Thank you.
Women artisans across the country to bring to you saris and other ethnic wear categories which are made from pure and natural fibers. And through our Weavershala initiative, we provide safe and hygienic working environment for our women weavers and artisans. We are so proud to be here today in Hyderabad. This is our first sari run in Hyderabad. We've done 5 so far, and we are very proud to be here today. Tannera stands for Women Empowerment, stands for Sustainability, and it also stands for protecting and promoting our rich culture and heritage. At the same time, very, very glad to say that the chief guest today, who's going to flag off the run, is a very special woman. She is an electrical engineer from Santa Clara University in the US. She completed her MBA from Stanford Graduate School of Business, Executive Director of Heritage Foods Limited, which is one of the largest and dairy brands in the country.